Using your eBay balance to pay for purchases is a convenient and efficient way to manage your transactions on the platform. To start, you need to have an eBay account with a balance. This balance can come from selling items on the site, receiving refunds, or adding funds directly to your account. First, ensure you have sufficient funds in your eBay balance to cover the cost of the item you want to purchase. You can check your balance by logging into your eBay account and going to the Account section. Look for the Payment Methods section where your current balance will be displayed. When you find an item you want to buy, proceed to the Checkout page. On the Payment page, you will see various payment options including PayPal, credit cards, and eBay Balance. Select eBay Balance as your payment method. If you have enough funds in your eBay balance to cover the full cost of the item, the payment will be processed immediately. If the item costs more than your available balance, you will be prompted to add additional funds to your account or use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. It is essential to note that your eBay balance can only be used for purchases on the eBay platform. You cannot use it to make purchases on other websites or in physical stores. Additionally, keep in mind that your eBay balance is not a bank account, and it does not earn interest. To add funds to your eBay balance, you can use PayPal, bank transfer, or other accepted payment methods. When adding funds, make sure to follow the instructions carefully to avoid any errors or delays. Using your eBay balance to pay for purchases is a great way to streamline your transactions and avoid additional fees associated with other payment methods. Always review your account activity regularly to ensure your balance is up to date and accurate. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use your eBay balance to pay for purchases and manage your account efficiently. This will help you have a smoother and more enjoyable experience on the eBay platform.